Hello guys, good morning. So finally, after ng mahabang biyahe, finally nakarating na kami dito sa mismong village ni Apo Wanghud, ang pinaka matandang mambabatok sa buong mundo or Pilipinas, I may say. Let's go na. Okay guys, look at the view. Look at the view guys, look at the view. Thank you Lord for this. Thank you Lord for this beautiful creation. Ayun guys, doon nakapark yung kotse namin. Ayun, doon nakapark sa may pinakamalayo. So dumaan pa kami ng hanging bridge.
Super hanging bridge.
So now, yan, papunta na kami dito kay Apo Wanghud. Dito sa Buskalan. Dito sa Buskalan Village. Okay, thank you guys. Keep you posted.